I'm going to show you how to make money online using the incredible website Upleap. You can do this method from anywhere in the world, and you don't need to invest a dime or spend any money because this method is completely free of charge and free of risk. You also don't need any skills or experience. All you need is a device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to give you in today's video. I'm going to break down the entire process step by step, so make sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this video. Right before we get into it though, please be sure to show us some love and support by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new money-making video. Also, please don't hesitate to let us know any of your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from all of you guys. Let's get down to business. Upleap actually offers a service and a tool to help others grow their Instagram accounts. Here's what the website looks like. By the way, I'll give you a copy and paste technique that you can apply immediately to start making money after seeing this video, even if you're a complete newbie. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Instagram, it's a social networking platform that lets you upload and share a variety of photographs and videos. Now, let's go back to this webpage on this website. I'll essentially show you how to make money with Upleap and the magic. Here is the affiliate scheme where you can quickly make money from this website and help people use these two to get more Instagram followers. You should scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and click the Upleap program link, which will direct you to this page. As you can see, we are able to use the Upleap affiliate program to get recurring commission each and every month. And without any prior knowledge, I'll show you how to do it using a copy and paste technique. Once more, this is totally free and accessible worldwide. Now, this concept is really quite simple. Here are the first two steps. You can register to become an affiliate for no cost, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. There aren't any additional cost. You can easily check in and get your little affiliate link from your dashboard once you've registered a free account. You'll start sharing and advertising each of your unique affiliate links in step 3, and I'll show you how to do it for free and with minimum effort. By doing this, you can get compensated each time a user clicks on your affiliate link online. By helping others grow their Instagram following, you can earn $30 each and every month. So let me show you how much money Upleap can make you. As you can see, the Upleap program essentially offers 3 packages on their website. Once again, you don't need to buy anything. There's no selling or buying required. Instead, all you need to do is obtain your affiliate link and start sharing these 3 different packages with other people. Make sure you don't miss out on something amazing that I'll be sharing at the end of this video that will boost how much money you can make from this method. Currently, 3 bundles are available for $39, $69, and $99 per month. The most popular bundle is $69 per month. A 30% commission will be paid to you, and from $69, that is $20.70 earned from a single referral for you. Because Upleap is such a great product and customers will continue to use it each month, it is a monthly recurring commission, which is wonderful because it lets you make $20 in passive income each and every month. For brand new beginners looking to start generating passive money and online commissions right away, this is actually a great chance. The first step is to create a free account as an affiliate on Upleap. All you have to do is click this button to start the process immediately. If you refer 10 people, 20 people, or 30 people, and they continue to use the program on a monthly basis, you will continue to get passive revenue. The Upleap affiliate program, which helps others grow their Instagram accounts and pays a 30% recurring monthly commission. And now, like I said I would, I'll give you something incredibly amazing to help you start earning your first dollar and your first commission online. You can see that I wrote the entire script for you to use in promoting this product. You can either copy and paste your affiliate links into this box or view the entire script I prepared for you here. This is the place where you should include your Upleap affiliate links, as you can see in the little blue letters here. Also, you can earn 30% of the sales if someone reads this template or script but clicks on this link before completing a purchase. That is actually the proper technique to engage in affiliate marketing and to advertise particular products online, because giving value to others comes first. As you can see, this effectively serves as the entire framework for the 5 methods for rapidly growing your Instagram following. In essence, you recommend the best 5 options to others. The 1st through 5th tips are visible. You can see that by teaching others how to increase their Instagram following, you are essentially giving away value for nothing. By doing this, you can win over a lot of people's trust, and ultimately they'll click on this link to find out more about your highly recommended service. In fact, marketing the excellent product Upleap is a highly genuine and professional approach to make money online. They are more inclined to buy from you because they already trust you, think you are a real person, and appreciate the free value you are providing. It only makes sense to include a link to an even better product at the conclusion to help a person out. Now that you have this copy and paste script right here, the next step is to share this good stuff with other people. So you need traffic and to get people to click on your link. This is the #1 problem for many beginners, so that's why I want to share the solution with you. Quora. Okay, so we're going to get a lot of traffic, referrals, eyes, attention, and people looking at our script from Quora.com. You can copy and paste this group into Quora right now. Let me explain Quora for those of you who don't know what it is. In essence, Quora is a free-form discussion board where users can ask questions and get answers on a range of subjects. Quora.com can get over 470 million visits every month. There are many people using this website, and you can take advantage of this. The script is essentially copyable. Just copy it, paste it onto Quora, and you'll get lots of clicks. You can then earn money passively each month by getting 30% of the commission when people click on your affiliate links there and then buy something. To make use of Quora, obviously you have to first sign up for a free Quora account. Simply visit Quora.com and find this page to get started. Click on this link to register with your email, then fill out the form on the left with all of your details before clicking the sign up button. When you sign into your Quora account, you'll see that it's actually very simple. Use an iPhone, an Android device, or a computer. Basically, you can type anything into the search bar and get results. For example, in this case, all we need to do is click on this page to search for how to boost Instagram followers. As soon as we click the search button, Quora will help us find all the relevant questions and posts. The fastest approach to increase your Instagram following is explained here, and you can also see how many people are following this kind of post straight on Quora.com. The number of people with an interest in this topic is in the thousands. Let's say, for example, that I click on this post right here to be taken to this page, where I see that many people have responded to this query. The place where you can type your response is this button that says Answer. So I want you to click on that first, and then paste the script that I provided for you here. By the way, I need to emphasize that you have to include your affiliate links. Otherwise, you won't be making a single penny, so double check that. And that is it for today's video. We've shown you the plan, now it's up to you to take action. So be sure to try out today's method as well as any of our other methods that we regularly upload onto our channel. If you've learned anything new from this video, please be sure to like this video, comment what you think, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know about a potentially life-changing money-making method that we upload, which can completely transform your bank account and your life. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.